take a look. P times P divided by P plus P equals 6. Then what's the value of P? So we can write here P to the power 1 times P to the power 1 times P to the power 1 divided by P plus P plus P equals 6. After that we can write P equal 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by this 3P is equal 3P equals 6. After that we can write this equal P to the power Q divided by 3P equals 6. After that we can write P to the power Q divided by 3P times 3 equals 6 times 3. We just do times with both sides. Then now this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled out, and we can write P equal 3 minus 1 because this P has 1 power equal 3 times 6 equal 18. So after that we can easily write P equal 2 equal 18. After that it will be like root over P square equal root over 18. Now we can easily say the P value is plus minus root over 3 root 2 because 3 root 2 equal root over 18. So here we get P1's value is plus 3 root 2 and P2 value is minus 3 root 2. This is the two's value we can get. So now we have to check this answer, then we will be tracing these values. So we can write the equation was like P times P times P divided by P plus P equals 6. So here just to replace this P's value in here, it was like 3 minus 3 root 2 bracket times minus 3 root 2 times minus bracket root 3 root 2 divided by minus 3 root 2 plus minus 3 root 2 plus minus 3 root 2 equals 6. So after simplifying this equation we can write plus 3 times 3 root 2 times root 2 times minus 3 root 2 divided by from here we can write 3 times bracket minus 3 root 2 equals 6. After that equation we can write minus 27 times 4 root 2 divided by minus 9 times root 2 equals 6. So from here this and this will be cancelled out, and this will be cancelled out, 3 and this will be cancelled out. So we can write 3 times 4 divided by 2, this will be cancelled out, and 6. So we can write 6 equals 6. So left hand side equal right hand side is proved. Hey guys, are you still in here and watching this video? Please help us to building a great community of math lovers. We are trying to establish our community, so please support us and subscribe our channel to getting this type of more solution classes which help you to enrich your brain and solving skill. Thank you.